Maybe you've tried everything to become rich, saving, budgeting, hustling, but nothing has changed. Listen, it's not because you're lazy. It's because no one gave you the right rules. So here they are. Follow even half of them, and your future will not look like your past. Secret 1. Pay yourself first. Most people go broke paying everyone else first. Rent, bills, subscriptions, parties, and there's nothing left for them. Rich people reverse that. They take 10% of everything they earn and keep it, no matter what. Not for spending, not for flexing, for building. If you can't save money now, you won't save when you earn 10 times more. Because saving is not about income, it's about habit. Secret 2. Control your spending. You don't get rich by acting rich. The average broke person owns more designer clothes than actual millionaires. Stop upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. Separate wants from needs. If you buy everything you like, you'll never own anything you love. Secret 3. Make your money multiply. Saving is step 1. Investing makes it powerful. If your money isn't growing, it's dying. Inflation is eating it. Your money must work harder than you do. Invest in assets that grow, stocks, index funds, digital property, businesses, or tools that help you earn more. Let your money produce more money, so one day you don't have to. Secret 4. Protect your wealth from loss. Most people lose money chasing fast returns. They jump into trends and hype without understanding where their money is going. If you don't understand it, you're not investing, you're gambling. It's better to grow slow with certainty than lose everything chasing speed. Secret 5. Own, don't just rent. Renting gives comfort. Owning gives leverage. Stop building other people's empires. Whether it's a house, a business, a piece of content, or digital property, own something. Ownership is what separates the rich from the rest. Secret 6. Plan long-term. Stop thinking about the weekend. Start thinking 5 years ahead. Wealth is not built by accident, it's built by design. Before you make a decision, ask, does this make my future more secure or more stressful? Secret 7. Increase your ability to earn. You don't get rich by just cutting costs. You get rich by increasing income. Learn high-income skills. Copywriting, sales, design, programming, content creation, marketing. Become too valuable to ignore. If you want more, become more. Secret 8. Only take advice from the qualified. Your family may love you, but if they aren't wealthy, their financial advice is irrelevant. Stop listening to people who aren't where you want to be. Listen to doers, not doubters. Secret 9. Avoid debt like a trap. Debt makes you a slave, especially high-interest debt. There are only 2 positions in money: paying interest or collecting it. Choose your side. Secret 10. Stay patient and relentless. Most people fail not because the plan didn't work, but because they didn't stay long enough. Wealth isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. Do the right things long enough without quitting. Secret 11. Refuse to settle for average. The biggest secret of all? You must believe that you were not born to stay ordinary. If you accept average, you will live average. But the moment you decide, I'm done living like everyone else, wealth becomes a destination instead of a dream. These are the real rules of getting rich. Not hype, not luck, not overnight success. Just discipline, strategy, and time. Most people will hear this and do nothing. But if you re one of the few who take action, your future self will thank you. So tell me, which rule are you starting with today? And if this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for daily success tips.